This message is for Tinubu. Mr. Tinubu, you want to be the president of Nigeria? Okay, no problem. Can you please do Nigerians a favor? Because I am very sad right now. Can you please, you and your wife and your son and the president you instated on the throne, plus the governor you put on the throne of Lagos State, all of you, plus the vice president, all of you on that cabinet, all of you coming in, all of you going out, can you please just abandon this throne you are fighting for no reason? It makes no sense. Can you just do me one favor before you become the president you want to become? Can you just solve this herdsman issue? I mean, you cannot claim that you are very powerful and you can instate so many people and a group of people are overpowering your government. If a group of people can terrorize a country that has large numbers of force, and you in particular, Mr. Tinubu, actually even know these people, because I know that you know where they hide and what to do with them. Can you team up with Obasanjo? Can you team up with all the past governors and presidents and just solve this herdsmen? Because what they just went to Ondo to do, have you seen that video, Mr. Tinubu? Mr. President, Muhammadu Buhari, have you come across the video? After this video, just slide. This is 18 plus, I beg you. Slide and see how they killed people in the church. The church is not my concern. The people in the church, either it's a Muslim that came inside the church and kill people in the church, or they are killing, they are both Muslims, or Christians are killing Christians. I do not care. Can you just solve this one in Ondo State right now and make every other one go away, so that everybody will not relocate kúrò lójú yín, so that your govern, because bó ṣe ń ṣe mí kò wù mí kéré èèyàn govern mọ́ láíláí tọ́lọ́run máa fi dé. Ó wù mí kí ìlú dàwòrò mọ́ yín lórí. Ó wù mí kẹ́ má rí yàn pè mọ́. Ó wù mí kẹ́ má rí ọlọ́pàá send lọ sí àwọn ibì kan pé kán lọ arrest èèyàn mọ́. Ó wù mí kí ìlú dàwòrò kẹ́ máa govern bóyá grass ni o àbí burial ground. A group of people actually overpowered your government, Mr. President. The incoming president, Mr. Atiku, Mr. Tinubu, can you please find a solution to herdsmen? They are just actually some group. You can team up with Sunday Gbudo, but instead you took him out. You took him. You rendered him useless. You can. He's a good man fighting for a just cause. I was watching this video. Have you seen the father and the son in the church? They killed almost everybody there. Have you seen the father and the son? Imagine if it was you and your son. Imagine if it was you and your son. Imagine. You can call on the richest man in Africa. He's in Nigeria. He can mobilize. He has money. Imagine if it was the richest man in Africa and a daughter and his daughter. Imagine your children in that situation. But you are there on the pulpit trying to say you were elected. You brought in some people. You can put a hand to these people. Just make Nigeria better. What do you want to do? If not for the security, the infrastructure, what do you want to do? What? You give money. We, the poor, we give ourselves money. We give ourselves food. I've never seen the rich helping the poor. It has always been the poor helping the poor. You want to be the president? Do something for us. Do something, Tinubu. Do something. Ondo is a town. Soon they will come to your city. Lagos City, yeah? They will come. They are coming gradually. They will come. Oh, we have touts here. We have area boys. We have assassins. We have thieves. We have thugs. We have many people. We have people with machete, guns, illegal. They have it. We have them. But they cannot fight for us. They cannot fight for us. They are poor people too, just like us. They can't fight for us. Ondo. Have you seen the video? Try to watch the video. They are just a group of people. You claim you are very powerful. Why can't you use the power? What do I know? I'm just a baby. Compared to you that knows everything, I don't want to be the president. I don't want to be a governor. I don't care. But you that cares, why can't you show the care? What do we know? Tinubu, leave the pulpit. Face those people. Take them off this land. I don't know what they are fighting for. Negotiate with them. Take them off my land. This is my land. This land belongs to every good Nigerian. Take them off this land and become your president. We are not going to kill you. We don't want to kill you. We are not interested in your death. Be your president. But before that, fight for the people you want to govern.